This is a Dalmatian dog. These are dinosaur babies. This is a tiger. This is an elephant. These are farm animals. These are monkeys. This is a panda. This is a lion. This is a bear. Is it the tiger or the lion? Yes, the tiger is orange. Great job learning animals and vehicles.